How to create a community on Viber for iPhone. The community will enable you to interact with an unlimited number of members, enjoy more admin controls than ever before, and play around with new conversation features. Let's open the Viber app on our iPhone. Tap on the Compose button from the top. Now tap in New Community. Here you will see a description of what a community is. One of the essential parts of what I see is that the members' phone numbers are private. Tap on Start a Community. Write the name of the community. Tap on the image to add a picture if you want. Also, write a description for the community. Tap on Save. Your community has been created on Viber. You can invite people to the community from your contacts. After you selected the contacts, tap Invite. Let's check a bit the options we have. On the top, you have the Invite option. You can tap on this button to invite more people. On the More button, you have different options like Report a Message or Report Community. On the bottom, you will have the chat input and all of your options. Please note, if it is allowed only for the admins to post, then you might not have the chat input. Let's tap on the top name of the community. Here you will have the administration. On the Edit button from the top, you will be able to edit the name and About info and the picture. Also in this section, you will be able to mute the community for some time. On Members' Privileges, you can set up so all members can send messages or deactivate this. You can add members to your contact list. Also, you can send a link to other persons to invite them to the community. Also, on the link Add Admins, you will be able to set up a member as an admin. If you tap on Show All, you will see the list for all users. You can tap on a person and send him a message, make it admin, remove it from the community, or ban him. You can easily manage members like this. In the background, you can select what picture to use for the community. Now your community is ready to grow. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.